Hello everyone, this section is for Gram-Stain. After learning this section, you should be able to relate bacterial cell wall structure to the Gram-staining reaction. Gram-Stain. After Christian Gram developed the Gram-Stain in 1884, it soon became evident that most bacteria could be divided into two major groups based on their response to the Gram-staining procedure. Gram-positive bacteria stained purple, whereas Gram-negative bacteria were pink or red. The difference between typical Gram-positive bacteria and typical Gram-negative bacteria is due to the physical nature of their cell wall. If the cell wall is removed, typical Gram-positive bacteria stain Gram-negative. So let's see the Gram-staining procedure. The first step is crystal violet dyeing. Bacteria are first stained with crystal violet. It is a dye with a positive charge that is attracted to the bacterial cell's net negative charge. Step 2 is moldenting. We use iodine in this step. Iodine is a moldant that interacts with the crystal violet, forming an insoluble complex and thus promoting dye rotation. The third step is decolorization step. When bacteria are treated with ethanol in this step, the alcohol is thought to shrink the pores of the thin peptidoglycan found in the cell walls of typical Gram-positive bacteria, causing the peptidoglycan to act as a permeable barrier that prevents loss of crystal violet. Thus, the dye-iodine complex is retained during the decolorization step, and the bacteria remain purple. The fourth step is safraning. It is a second dye. The peptidoglycan in typical Gram-negative cell walls is very thin, not as highly cross-linked, and has larger pores. Alcohol treatment extracts enough lipid from the outer membrane to increase the cell wall's porosity further. For these reasons, alcohol more readily removes the crystal violet iodine complex, decolorizing the cells. The counterstain, safranin, also a dye with a net negative charge, so easily stains the decolorized cells so that they appear red or pink. So this is the procedure for Gram-Stain. Then let's see the steps of staining. First, we have two bacteria. First is Gram-positive bacteria, and second is Gram-negative bacteria. The first step is crystal violet. After this step, both bacteria are both purple. Second, we use iodine as moldant. After this step, the bacteria become blue-purple. Then alcohol wash. After wash, the Gram-positive bacteria remains blue-purple, but the Gram-negative bacteria loses stain. In the last step, we use safranin. The Gram-positive bacteria remains blue-purple, but the Gram-negative bacteria become pink. That's all for this section. Here is a word list for you.